Yeah, got this nice Maine Chipmunk. Not a bad chipmunk. Pretty good size, female, but not bad. If I knew it was a female, I wouldn't have shot it, but pretty good one. Yeah, so another Maine Chipmunk. I couldn't get the kill shot because I was just loaning it out on this one by myself. So yeah, pretty good chipmunk. Wasn't the ideal shot. Hit it. I can't really see. Hit it far back, but not bad, huh? Yeah, hopefully I'll be getting more kill shots, or getting a kill shot if I'm with my friend, but yeah, please comment and subscribe. I'll be putting up more videos soon, so please comment and subscribe.